today I am creating these three cute prehistoric ATCs, and I thought I would share the process. I also have one last thing I want to add to them to finish them off. These are also downloads from Papercraft magazine. I've printed this twice, once on cardstock and once on paper, and I've used these Art Deco mixed colour markers. So the idea is you touch them tip to tip and they blend into each other, so you go from one shade to another. My pile of palm trees, and I have cut my dinosaurs down to ATC size for what I am going to colour in the dinosaurs. I'm going to use these Krillando brush pens, and I'm also going to use some glitter gel pens, just for a bit of fun. I've coloured my dinosaurs. I just want to mention these pens because they've got a really lovely fine tip on them. And it does say on the box for sketching, designing or hand lettering, so I'm guessing it's going to be perfect for hand lettering. You'll see that I've done my dinosaurs in very bizarre colours as they've got glitter on them. Pulled out some green papers from my stash and also some blues so I can build backgrounds on the ATCs for the dinosaurs and trees to go on. I'm pleased with those. I think they look quite cute, but I think I'm going to add one more thing, and that is a sentiment. Now, you'll know I love a sentiment or a pun on my ATCs. So I've printed three off. We've got "You are awesome," "Anything is possible," and "Have a T-Rex extraordinary day." So I'm just going to add those to finish them off. And there we are. My three dinosaur ATCs are complete and they're ready to be sent off to my swap partner. They've been really fun to create, and I think they're quite cute as well, and I do love the puns. Thank you so much for watching and joining me for this make. I hope you have enjoyed seeing the process, and I'll see you again soon for another creative project. Until then, cheerio!